Welcome to Scoop Buddy. Jaipur is the capital and the largest city of the state of Rajasthan. Jaipur is the first planned city of the country and was built in 18th century by Savai Jai Singh. In the year 1876, the whole city was painted pink by Maharaja Ram Singh to welcome the Prince of Wales and Queen Victoria. Pink denotes the color of hospitality and inviting. From that time onwards, Prince Albert named the city as Pink City. So guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the top 5 places that you must visit in Jaipur. Number 1, Hawa Mahal. Hawa Mahal was built using red and pink sandstone in the year 1799 as a vantage point for the women of imperial family. It is an example of the Rajput style architecture. It resembles a fort overlooking the roads of Jaipur. There are lot of dark shadowed windows present in the Hawa Mahal, from where the ladies could watch the city underneath without being observed themselves. This is one of the most tourist places in the Jaipur. There is also a museum called Hawa Mahal Museum, which is a very enchanting site exhibiting a collection of terracotta, antiques, arrowheads, swords, helmets, and belongings of the Maharajas, celebrating the Rajasthan's imperial history. Number 2, City Palace. City Palace is the focal point of the city and the core of Jai Singh II's rule. It is located at a close proximity to the Hawa Mahal. The City Palace incorporates Chandra Mahal. The architect of the palace sets an example of the hard work and the care that workers had put behind. City Palace joins Rajput, Mughal and European styles, and it is another epitome of the fascinating architecture of Jaipur's regal impacts. Today, some portion of the city palace is the home to the Maharaja Savai Man Singh II Museum, which exhibits the craftsmanship from the city and the locality. Number 3, Jantar Mantar. Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II not just imagined and executed the exceptionally composed city of Jaipur. He was likewise in charge of the improvement of the 5 galactic observatories all through the western part of the country. Jantar Mantar is one such observatory situated in the core of Jaipur. The objective of the Jantar Mantar was to study space and time. Another aim was cosmology and astronomy calculations. Astronomical data and the books related to Europeans, Islamic and the Persian civilization helped in building Jantar Mantar. The huge scale of geometric developments are the main attractions of this recorded structure. Engineers and designers of the modern day ponder over this structure. This is a must-visit place for the history lovers, as a lot can be known about the history of Indian architecture and technology. Number 4, Ishwar Lat. Among the many places to visit in Jaipur with family, Ishwar Lat is the best place. Ishwar Lat was developed by Jai Singh II in 1749. That he constructed this landmark since it gave him an impeccable vantage point to see the Prime Minister's daughter, for whom he had passionate feelings. It is a nice spot for tourists to visit. Number 5, Albert Hall Museum. It is an epitome of Indo-Saracenic architecture. The museum has a collection of artifacts including paintings, sculptures, carpets, ivory and other such products. It has now become a center for conveying knowledge of Indian history of civilizations. It is also considered the State Museum of Rajasthan. To quench your curiosity about Indian history, do not forget to visit this place during your trip. So guys, these are the top 5 places that you must visit in Jaipur. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.